this meter is the meter for the temperature of this blade, for removing the polarizer. So this is the temperature. We normally set it for 300 degrees centigrade. Let's see how we set this the temperature. Now we have set SET set. Just press it. Now you have a temperature upper and then down, up and down. Also the position, not further or on the back. So this is very easy. So there are two buttons on the side. The lower one, this is for the vacuum. The upper one is for the temperature. You switch it, you can see that there is numbers, temperatures on it. On the other side, this is for the temperature of the hot plate, because as I told you, this is 2-in-1, so you can use it as hot plate. You can use it also for removing the polarizer. Now the temperature reaches not minus, this is 300 degrees centigrade. So now you put a screens on it and turn on the vacuum. Normally we leave a little bit on the side. So we take off the major part of this, the polarizer. Then when you finish it, you turn around. Just turn around the screens. You just take off the rest of the polarizer. It's very easy, right? As I explained to you, 300 degrees centigrade. Make sure when you getting close to the flex, be careful with it. Don't get it too close. Now you just be careful. You don't just twist it from the side. Don't, as you can see, our technician, he just removed the silicone pad. He didn't use his hand to take off the screen. He just twisted the silicone pad. So this is very important tip. So this side, this is the polarizer which remains on the screen. So very easy to use this one. You can beautiful. Now we just next step is some liquid to clean the. Those are screens that we already took off the polarizer. Thanks for watching.